Step up your language, understanding, step count. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, step count. It's a phrase you might come across in daily conversations, especially when talking about health and fitness. So, let's step into the details. Step count refers to the total number of steps that a person takes over a period of time. It's often used in the context of tracking physical activity, with a common goal being 10,000 steps a day. This phrase can be both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it describes the tally of steps, and as a verb, it refers to the act of counting these steps. Keeping track of your step count is important for maintaining an active lifestyle. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure you're moving enough throughout the day, which is crucial for good health. In fact, monitoring your step count can also be a motivational tool to increase daily exercise. Now, let's put step count into action. You can say, I've been trying to increase my step count to improve my fitness, or my smartwatch tracks my step count and reminds me to move more. Notice how the phrase seamlessly integrates into conversations about activity and health. The idea of a step count has grown in popularity with the rise of wearable technology. It's not just a number. It's part of a cultural movement towards health consciousness. Talking about one's step count has become a common way to discuss personal health goals and achievements. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, step count. I hope this video helps you step up your English learning journey and keeps you motivated to move more each day. Remember, every step counts towards better health and language proficiency. Keep stepping, and keep learning.